Huh? What? What are you doing? You're working still? My dad's gonna tell me something because I'm always on the phone, but I'm not. No, he says I'm always texting because I was eating and I was texting and he got mad. He's like, man, you don't leave that phone alone. I'm like, no, I was just checking my messages. And he got mad. So right now he's gonna see me. He's like, damn, he can't stop with that phone. Hey, they're leaving the wrong way. No, it's because everybody left because like most of the rides are closed. Most of the rides are closed because it's like raining bad. Watch me get sick. Jasmine! She can't hear me. Oh my dad. Where's my dad? Oh, there's my dad. Huh. Hold on. Yeah, they just got out of the ride. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go meet them up. Everything close, man. I didn't even ride anything. Yeah. Okay.